Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to block redirect sites in Google Chrome on Android to protect your browsing experience. First, start by opening the Chrome browser on your Android device. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down until you see the option called Site Settings and tap on it. And then again scroll down and choose pop-ups and redirects. Make sure this is set to blocked. This will stop most unwanted redirects. If you're still getting redirected, go back to Site Settings and tap JavaScript and block it for the specific suspicious sites. Just be aware it may break some website functionality. Blocked. Also, it's a good idea to clear your browsing data. For that, go to Settings and then Privacy and Security and tap on Delete Browsing Data and wipe cached files and cookies. This removes anything sneaky stored by redirect sites. And that's how you block redirect sites in Chrome on Android. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you're still having issues. I will help you troubleshoot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.